The Center Force dual friction clutch and flywheel kit, designed to fit the 2016 to 23 3.5 liter Tacomas, is a great option if you're looking for a performance-oriented clutch upgrade that can handle increased power, towing, or off-road abuse, while offering a smooth engagement for daily driving. This Center Force dual friction clutch and flywheel is built for high performance applications, whether you're pushing your Tacoma harder on the trails or carrying heavier loads. This system is going to feature a full face clutch disc on the pressure plate side for smoother engagement, while the flywheel side has a segmented carbon composite pucks, delivering increased holding power without excessive pedal effort. The patented Center Force centrifugal weight system helps increase clamping force as RPMs rise, ensuring a firm grip on the flywheel without requiring overly stiff pedal. This kit is specifically designed for high torque applications, making it an excellent option for Tacoma owners with performance modifications or those frequently towing and hauling. This kit includes a machined billet steel flywheel, providing a strong and durable foundation for the clutch assembly. The 11-inch diameter disc is engineered for longevity and improved heat dissipation, helping to reduce clutch fade under extreme conditions. The system also features a 21 spline design, ensuring compatibility with your Tacoma's factory transmission setup. Now, the pricing on this dual friction clutch and flywheel kit comes in around that low to mid 1000s price range, placing it in the premium category for clutch upgrades. However, considering its enhanced durability, performance, and ability to handle more torque, it's a worthwhile investment for Tacoma enthusiasts. Installation of this clutch and flywheel kit is a direct fit replacement for the factory clutch. You should need about 5 hours to complete the job, and we're giving it a 3 out of 3 on the difficulty meter. But if you're not very experienced with clutch replacements, professional installation is going to be recommended. That's going to wrap up our review of the Center Force dual friction clutch and flywheel kit for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacomas. And for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.